G'day, my name is Don and you're watching my channel Don Astronomy. Today I'm here in the La Nina Observatory, located near Bathurst, New South Wales, and here beside me is my cloud forming machine, and it is a beautiful cloud forming machine and it does a wonderful job, and it always performs cloud forming successfully every time I use it, and that's because I spent a lot of money on it. On this device here, which is an automatic cloud focuser and defocuser, so I can get sharp clouds with this, or I can get nice soft clouds with this depending on what I do, and I can do it automated. And this device here allows me to, it's called QHY CCD, and it's like, I'm not quite sure how it works, but I know when I turn it on and I open this cover, it shoots out some kind of ionized particles or something like that that starts to make clouds gather from miles and miles around. And I'm slowly starting to get used to all the other things on it, but I'm working it all out. Another part is this shutter up here too. When I open that, that makes things intensify even more, and there's wind, there's really grey thick clouds start coming. And then I'll go over here to my computer and I'll turn that on, and this has got some cloud forming software on it as well. And then when I go to turn that on and start the machine up, it is beautiful thunderstorms and it is lots of rain, and it is the most amazing piece of engineering, this thing, that you could ever imagine.